Hey guys, listen, I need you to stop what you're doing right now. I want you to just stop and listen to what I'm saying. I don't normally do this because it's like I start to sound like some kind of judgmental prick when I do these kind of things. The world itself is being made to appear to be in complete turmoil. They're trying to push everybody in a specific direction. Who they are, I don't know. Maybe they're some, I don't know, New World Organization. There could be the governments. It could be lots of people, but it could also be something very simple. Stupid fucking people. People that want to have internet drama. I just watched a live report. Live. This guy got shot. He's a reporter. His buddy got shot in the neck. He's expected to be dead. It's confirmed. And we're watching the video, and the video's coming in from someone asking him, like interviewing, like a nurse interviewing him while he's laying in a hospital bed in Ukraine. This is drama TV. This is Stepford Wife crap. Last night, it was Iranians attack U.S. consulate. Every fucking YouTuber went live as if and they're doing exactly what they hate, what they say they hate. One YouTuber says this, another YouTuber says that. They start using each other as proof sources. I'll come to find out they're all absolutely, completely fucking wrong. The Iranians have said that they use precision munition to attack an Israeli outpost, or buildings as they called it, that is inside the Kurdish zone, which is in Iraq. They did it because the Israelis killed a couple of their guys about a week ago. This is standard protocol for the Iranian regime. This is what they do. They're always looking for payback. I want you all to take a very deep fucking breath and realize that they are playing you. That none of this means anything. And that if they can turn this into a frenzy, they can all profit from it. Everybody from the big MSMs to the governments to Raytheon to all these little bitty preppers down here that are just trying to get you to hit their Amazon links. Okay, guys, until the next time, and we'll just leave it there. Until the next time, please stay safe. Try and have a great day. It is Sunday. It's a day of rest. And maybe turn off your phones. Maybe turn off the TV for a day. I assure you, nothing's going to happen. All right, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.